right from engineering to business, it's the order should be people, process, and profitability, right, from a business perspective. So you have to think about people first, then the processes should be laid out in a well mannered, so that whenever you are creating a people friendly company, and then we have like the right processes in it, profitability is just a byproduct. So coming on to the people, the culture, there has to be a different mindset now altogether with AI coming in. By just being in your comfort zone, it's going to be a tough time or challenging time if you don't upgrade your skills or you don't learn. As it is said, like readers are the leaders, right? You have to be on your toes, learn every day new thing, take up that technology, try some prototypes out there, upskill yourself.
Welcome everyone to IMA podcast series session we are doing today with Mr. Darshit Kasliwal. Welcome Darshit.
Hi.
Welcome to Indore. I hope you like the.
It's great ambience. Great ambience here.
Thank you so much. Today we are diving into a fascinating conversation around technology, leadership, and a human side of innovation. So Mr. Darshil is living his life every day, dealing with technology, AI, and truly living it every day. So let me introduce you, Mr. Darshit from Pune. He is Vice President Engineering with Empower Integrated Solutions, and a Harvard Business School alumnus, a national level chess player. So welcome to Indore.
Yeah, thank you.
Nice to have you. So let's start this series and session. So Darshit, when people describe you as a tech entrepreneur or an AI visionary, that's a public profile. That's how people describe you. But I want to know how you describe yourself.
Uh, yeah, that's a great question. And right at the thing is, right from the start of my career, I have been really passionate about technology. In fact, God has been great to give me everyday new challenges on technology side, and that's how I started. Like I started with my earlier career with the BSODs, the blue screen of death, right, where we used to debug kernel and try to fix the issues over there. So that's how the career had started. Now you no more see all these BSODs and all that, right? So it started with that. So I always had a passion about knowing the underlying system always. Like it was never that it just go on a top level or a high level language and just try to look at how this is how the application is working. I used to get into deep of it, the depth of it, try go 10x deep and identify how the things are working. So that helped me to become like every day's a great troubleshooter out there. I've been helping my teams across for technology consulting and all that kind of stuff, building new tech stuff every day, thinking about like how it can be helpful for my team to actually take the benefit of whatever I've learned on a day-to-day basis, right? So I've created a lot of technology videos for my team and my employees, and that's how I've tried to also impart that knowledge also. And with the advent of AI and all, right, obviously getting into creating my own small simulated foundation models and all that, then fine tuning it, and I've done all that kind of experiments because I've learned over a period of time that experimentation leads to innovation. There is no concept of direct innovation. It's not that you create a rocket and it launches in one day. It all happens with the experimentation. So I think with thinking like that, AI is gonna be a great co-creator. I'm a great collaborator with you going forward. That's why again I'm trying to impart as much as knowledge to my company, my employees out there actually, and train them to the next level.
Wonderful, wonderful. So from what I can hear, you call yourself as a troubleshooter, experimenter.
Yeah, definitely.
With the help of.
I'm learning every day. I mean, like the AI is evolving so fast that every day you have to be on your toes to upskill yourself at at any amount of experience that you have. You have to do it. There is no substitute to learning.
Definitely, definitely. Wonderful. So apart from technology, I see that you are a national level chess player. and also a guitarist. So how does those two things also help you as a tech leader?
Yeah, so definitely, chess has been. I've been a chess player since my childhood. I played couple of nationals, and the kind of thought process it brought, right? The combinations that you can think of, that has really helped me in the software world right from the start of my career. Right when even AI was, I mean, like we were not like having AI as our tool at that time, but at that time we used to just use all these permutations and combinations in software development also, right? All the use cases, test cases that you can think of, that really helped me with the kind of uh, 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 chess knowledge that I had. And now with tuning the LLMs and tuning the prompts and all, we have become far more mature in that case. Like just to give you a simile of tree of thoughts, like the way LLM has got now with all these reasoning models, we have got tree of thoughts now, where you can have parallel chains running, thinking and taking a decision around that. Similarly, when you're playing a chess game, you think about five different combinations, and every combination has its own sequence of flow that you analyze. You might be analyzing five flows, five combinations. Every combination is getting its own chain. Then you analyze and then you come back and take a decision. So similarly, when you are building an AI model or doing a tuning of that, you have to think that way and map it actually, and that really helps. Similarly, for if you're playing into music and all, there it's all about orchestration. If you are playing in a band or something. Similarly, when multi-agent thing comes up, all these agents need to orchestrate in harmony to build the right output for the customer.
Wonderful. So even the hobby means business to you.
Yeah, I mean, like it helps. I mean, like it helps. I mean, like yeah.
Definitely. So that's wonderful, using your hobby to support your business, and that's uh, amazing, because we all need some kind of a break from our regular business, and when you are involved in music, that definitely gives a break as well.
Yeah, definitely.
Wonderful. You have also led Powers AI Lab, driving multi-agentic LLM implementations and enterprise automation. That's a cutting edge stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
And so, can you share some example of multi-agentic implementation? Maybe explain to the public, all the viewers, what it is all about, and how it is used in enterprise.
Yeah, definitely. So just talking about like getting into the at the top at early stage, we actually implemented like co-pilots and all almost 2 years back when co-pilot was just there, and we started experimenting around that. And then we had deployed it on a couple of team members also. Now everywhere is co-pilot, but we were quite good early at that time. Then we built our own in the lab that you're talking about. We built a lot of low code, no code platforms, and now we are into venturing into some big enterprise level platform as well. So definitely that learning has helped us. And now coming to the multi-agent framework, I'll give you some of the use cases that we have been implementing, right? Like for example, in one of our customers' use case, which is right now in public domain, where they have built like a multi-agent orchestration framework for defining a good product market fit. For let's say if you have a electronics a smart TV with an AI feature, and a company wants to launch that, it needs engineering team, research team, finance team, right? Marketing team, and all the business leaders out there. So we have actually created agents for each of these who can actually collaborate, discuss every agent is performing its own business function. Like one of them is performing on the marketing side, one of them is performing on the sales side, one of the agent is working on technology side, another one is looking into a complete research part, competition analysis. All these agents are collaborating and then can come up with to a centralized agent who can actually help to take the decision whether we are going on the right track or not. Or is it a product market fit or not? So this is a very good use case, and it takes a lot of tuning, timing. We have failed through that multiple times, but yeah, we have been able to make it like at least to quite a good level actually, yeah, and we are able to achieve that.
Wonderful. So this example that you're giving to us, is that a real
It's a
client?
real customer, yeah, it's a real customer case.
That's wonderful. So, Darshit, you have definitely built global engineering teams and architected enterprise grade SaaS platforms. That's a huge canvas, right? So, In your experience, what defines a world-class engineering culture today?
Uh, yeah, that's a very important question. First of all, according to me, right from engineering to business, it's the order should be people, process, and profitability, right? From a business perspective. So you have to think about people first, then the processes should be laid out in a well mannered so that whenever you are creating a people friendly company, and then we have like the right processes in it, profitability is just a byproduct. So coming on to the people, the culture, there has to be a different mindset now altogether with AI coming in. By just being in your comfort zone, you it's going to be a tough time or challenging time if you don't upgrade your skills, or you don't learn. As it is said, like readers are the leaders, right? You have to be on your toes, learn every day new thing, take up that technology, try some prototypes out there and upskill yourselves. There is no substitute to that, because the coders have to become now thinkers. From the technology standpoint, it's just not that by knowing coding you will be able to make a dent. Like you have to ensure that you understand the functions, business functions, and then use the right kind of prompt engineering and all that kind of stuff, which can really help your engineering team to go to the next level. So it's all about experimentation, learning every day.
Wonderful. Beautifully said. I think everyone listening here would definitely find this valuable. So one point, as you rightly said, Darshit, think coders needs to be more of thinkers now rather than just being a coder.
Yeah.
So that is
Coding is required. You need to know the basics of the languages, and you should be able to do something. But beyond that, that is not going to suffice now, because there are n number of people out there in the industry to do that. So
wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much, Darshit. Thank you for all the insights that you have provided us. I hope all the listeners can find the valuable insights that Mr. Darshit has shared with us, and will be able to take away some key insights that they can implement in their life. Thank you for joining
thank you
us.
so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So please, I'll invite everyone to subscribe IMA podcast series, like, share, and give us some love.